Hello! Today is 4th of July. Now we're going to be shooting off fireworks. Actually, this is the last of our fireworks. Here we go! You can't see anyone though because they're in the dark. Actually, not entirely dark. See? They still got stuff out. Ooh, look at that firework. I'm not sure right now. That's my dad. Help over there. Can't see help right now. I'm videotaping. Gotta get back far away. Oh, that was stupid. That one was very, very stupid. I'm gonna get a closer look. Because I'm weird. That was all our fireworks that were over here. I can't see you right now. It's really dark. Of course you can't see me. Gotta get far away from here. Because I'm gonna get in the bad zone here. Almost right here. I think these might be dead. They're not looking well. I think it might have died. Are you sure? Check. La 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 la. Do 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 do. I don't know what's going on, but it's very, very annoying. I might as well go, I guess. I don't know. This one doesn't work well. I don't know it's dead. There you go. That was happy. It's on my face. Woo! Do 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 do. I gotta back up some now. Gotta back up, gotta back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Can't really see anything now. If I had a light, it'd work. Blow, 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 blow. 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 Dad, let's do this now. Blow! You can do it! Okay, the puck is being a pain in the butt. It's lighted again, wasting matches. Okay. Now I can see a thing out here. Well, trees. I'm gonna walk through that and over there. I didn't get to see that. Cause I'm too busy. Huh. Can't see that thing at all. Oh, it's too dark. No one can see the fireworks. Do, 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 do. Can't see see them there either. I got a message, but I can't look at it right now. I'm too busy taping. I'm annoying, I know. I'm going to tell you my name. My name is Faithful Eisen. Woohoo! Blow! Blow again! Woo! Happy Child! Not Happy Child, I don't know. Smiley Face, that's what it's called. Can't see anything because it's too dark. It's too dark, I'm sorry about that. You see me? I'm not sure. Okay, I don't know. No, that's what I'm doing. I'm being insane. No one's asking, I don't think. I can't see my sister at all, so. Oh, there you go. It's on us now. Woo! Smiley Face again. That's what it's called. Smiley Face. You can't see those because the trees are in the way. Poor birdies, they can't even. Well, you can't see those, so I'm walking around everywhere. I'm in the middle of the street and I don't care. I'm just taping like I don't care at all. When I say taping, I'm not taping anything. I'm just taping a video. Wait. I don't have duct tape. That's how I say it. I don't know. Can't see nothing. Oh, looky. There we go. Woo! Smell that again. Look at all that smoke. Smoke's gone crazy. How many do we have up? Is that it? Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.